Hi, today I'm for the INFINIX Note 12 2023 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first open the control panel and find screen record icon. Hold for a while this icon and you will see the screen record settings. So just to record device sound or to use the microphone sounds, we should click on this switcher. For example, if you want to only comment something like the tutorial, you should use only the microphone sound. We can also turn them off together to turn off the device sounds and microphone sound and to record the mood video, or just to use them together or separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.